Caminho das Hortas. So we were actually doing a video here not too long ago, right? And our video was very popular. So actually we had, how many views did it have? 2.1k thousand views. So it was kind of cool. And it was right here. That was I just put it up maybe not even 3 or 4 days ago, I think. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna come and do it again and kind of reflect about our success with that video. Yeah. And we're gonna walk down and go by all these big banyan trees, and we're gonna kind of angle over that direction and just see how far we can get down this road and make it as interesting as possible for you. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Caminho das Hortas. What does it say again? Ah, what does that mean? It's like vegetable garden? Maybe?
But then it's a rua.
Oh.
You know what a rua is?
Like a road. I think Caminho is like road or path. And then I think Hortas might be like vegetable garden, but I don't know if it's the same in Chinese though. So we walked down here the other time, and some of the things that we were noticing as well, we're gonna get to the really cool part, the banyan trees. So we'll try to move along to get there. But there are a lot of kind of makeshift homes in here. And I think I actually did this last time. We walked down the street, and I think I did a view where you were walking on the side there. And I probably even did one where I moved it like that. So we're walking down Caminho dos Hortas, the path of the vegetable garden, I think is what it translates to. And then one of the things you're going to notice is all these big banyan trees for one. And then you're going to notice some other ones as well around the corners. Like these little things right here, like people will have some homes sometimes up here. And then back in there as well. Yeah, you can actually hear a lot of people in this area. And then this one, we were kind of confused last time because this and the Caminho das Hortas, we saw it in 2 different locations. So we saw it in 2 places, and I think this street has the same, but then down there we have the same too as well, but then Caminho das Hortas goes in one direction and the other goes in the other direction. And then in case you didn't know, each tree is marked. Has a number which identifies it, so that's 646.
That must be 647.
Yeah, let's see. So this one would be 644. So they'll have different numbers. So 646, 644, and then this one would be
645. Yep, 645, 647, probably over there.
That's right. So you can also QR code this right here. And then basically these big giant trees right here are all basically preserved. So we have a whole row of them. And basically they're all basically marked and saved by the government. And then you also have all these little paths like this. So this one was called, informally people would call it Dog Alley Road. And this one goes up to the universities. And that one used to be all dirt when I first came here 10 years ago. And they put some cement in it. These trees are massive. I think she's gonna check out the QR code, right? Yep. Look how big those trees look. That could be my thumbnail right there. I think I found my thumbnail. Yeah, because you're next to this big massive tree like that. Dun, dun, dun. Did you see it on the QR code?
The QR code doesn't work.
Oh, it's not working? I think I can pull up.
Try it.
Okay. So let me see. Let's grab a big giant tree.
Let's try this one.
Okay, let me see. So I'm gonna grab my camera like that, and then I'm gonna go like that,
Scan it.
and then I'm gonna scan it, and then I can do it in Portuguese. And then this will be number 640. So I think I'm gonna and it has an exact location as well, so it'll tell me that it's in that roundabout where we started at, and it even has a picture of it too. So I think that that's, let me just take a look. So I think, is that the same one?
Is this the same?
Yeah, like that tree.
Yes, and that one?
Yeah, I think so.
It's the same to me.
So I think that's the same. And then I'm gonna and then this one, oops, I put the wrong button. But I think it's the same picture, and then it has a couple other information about it too. Lista, grade 3 classification. Okay, so I guess they could just kind of talk about what it is. So it's a type of tree, Pinheiro Budista. Oh, 508, 640. Oh, so that
This big tree.
might be the Buddhist tree.
Buddhist tree?
Maybe I'm wrong, because it says a number and then it says 508. So I think I have to search for it in here. So I think it's just a list of them. So maybe not. But anyways,
She's in red.
I think it's a type of banyan tree.
There's kind of some red. It kind of looks red-ish.
Yeah, some of this does look
Yeah,
kind of
it's
reddish.
kinda red.
Oh, okay. So here's the name right here, type of tree, Falsa Figueira Sagrada, which is like fig tree, like a fake false fig family fig tree or something like that.
Maybe.
And then it even has the dimensions. It has the diameter, everything in here. So basically, they record all these, and I guess they update them as well.
Wow.
Pretty cool, eh?
Apparently, it's 112 years old now.
Oh, did they say do they have the age on it as
Yeah,
well?
it says idade in age.
Oh, okay. Huh. Didn't realize that.
There's Altira. Up there.
Which one are you looking at?
Altira.
Oh yeah, the Theater Hotel. Look at this green building right here. This green building has these wires that go all the way across the city.
Yeah.
It's like a tight wire. Oh, I don't know. That's kind of weird. At the top of the green one, there's like a little, looks like a step ladder or something at the top.
Oh.
Oh, that yellow one has like a fence around it, like a yellow.
Oh, it does.
There's a few of them. I would not want to be up on that one though. Jeez.
But then, if you're here, if you're here from this angle,
Yeah.
you can see the whole entire building.
Yeah.
But then, when you're at the bottom, where all of this is in here,
Yeah.
then it's like the only tallest building. It looks like it.
You're right. Yeah, that green building. You're right. Yeah, when you're there, it's like isolated because it's the only one on this side of the street. Yeah, here you wouldn't know that at all.
Yeah.
This side, it just makes it look like this, like one of many over there. But yeah, over there, she's 100% right. It's the only building on that side of it's called Sun Yat-sen. Dr. Sun Yat-sen Avenida Dr. Sun Yat-sen. So all those tall buildings are on that one side, except for that green building.
Yep. Yippee.
Okay.
Let's go. Where should we go now?
I think we're gonna keep on walking down. Got a car coming.
No, hurry up. Boom.
Up
There you
here,
go. Better do.
there's that green building right there. So that green building is actually on this side of the street, and those other ones are on. Well, those are on this side too. But when you're over that white building and you look down,
I mean, you look up.
that looks isolated. Yeah, it looks. Yeah, it's by itself. There's nothing here, nothing there, on that side of the street. Basically. Pretty cool.
I'm doing that.
And then this street I remember this one has the karate or the
Yes, it's the boxing thing.
boxing.
Just these random kind of restaurants. Even that one right there has the first letter has my Chinese name, but not my full Chinese name. Ah, don't leave me. Oh, here it is. There's even a dog. Hi, doggy.
Not funny. Looks like somebody's daughter's there. She has her school bag.
Or a random bag.
Yeah.
Just the doggy. So cute, doggy.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk down this street. And the last time we were here, we did this street and we walked straight up that way.
Yep.
And I believe that there's a sign there, and that one has the second one, which is like the Pobakeshao or something like that.
The doggy, there's the doggy following us. I hope it's not there. Oh, I remember this when it's like at the end of the street. It normally goes that way. I think I remember it goes that way and then it goes back. And then there's two kind of lanes or something.
Yeah.
And it has two different names. So this road is probably like has another name, and then there's another one over there.
Yeah, it kind of went up like that
Yes.
in a circle. It's kind of cool. Somebody's kitchen's right there. And you got their laundry up above as well.
It's so cool how they just get random things and then make it into the house, even like a 2-story thing.
Yeah. Kind of.
There's more doggies.
I don't really like walking next to dogs at all.
Look at this. It's like this normal Chinese. Oh wait, no. Alright.
You think we should walk by those dogs?
Oh no. To the side.
I'll walk on this side.
Yes.
I think because there's street dogs in the street and people walk by here and cars go by,
Yeah.
I think they will leave us alone, but
Pretty sure. You gotta be careful.
oh wow, it's like a little alley that goes all the way down.
Yep.
Dogs. I don't think you're too much of those dogs though. So this is also Caminho das Hortas because we have a sign here.
I think this is it. Yes, this is the sign I was talking about.
Dun dun dun!
Caminho das Hortas.
And then this one is the street, as my daughter was saying, that it goes around in a circle and then it comes back.
Mhm.
So it's like a horseshoe shape. This is a little horseshoe shaped street.
The street over there. So if I pass this line, over here, then I'm gonna be in Caminho das Hortas. But then if I pass this line there, I'm gonna be in Jura de Team Choi. Chan. It's kind of like that one country where they have a line. They just have a line to separate the countries. Have you heard of that?
I have heard of that, yeah. Yeah, there's certain spots, like little tourism areas in the world where you can just, and sometimes there's even like 3 countries sometimes in one spot.
What's that? I've never seen that thing behind the Altira looking thing. Or
I never have either. Can I raise that up real quick?
Yep.
Yeah, actually, I saw that one from a distance and it looks like it's something kind of new. I was kind of wondering about that too. Yeah, it's I kind of have this philosophy that someday this will all be, they'll fill in the gaps between all these tall buildings everywhere, and then all the stuff that we're looking at right here will be probably other tall buildings as well, and then that'll just kind of spread out all the way across TAIPA. That's kind of what I think is going to happen. And now we're still in our street. So there's Rua de Chongheng, but we also have Caminho das Hortas right here too.
Still on the same street?
Still on the same street. It's kind of windy here though. I wonder why this has all this fence like that. Looks like usually that's because they want to keep people safe, or they want to keep the building safe. I wonder.
I've seen that guy everywhere.
This guy? I have too.
On like very Chinese restaurants.
Huh. Let's gotta peek it in real quick. Wow. Oh, this is this building looks like it's maybe closed down. It says New Century Sauna, so I don't know what that exactly means. And we're back. So actually the GoPro batteries, sometimes they don't last so long, so sometimes if I have a little thing like that. But we're almost at the end of our street right here. We're at well, actually we'll flip it around. Kind of got that cool thing right there, garden kind of thing. And that was our street back there. So we started in kind of an interesting way, and we basically came all the way back.
Oh, we're still in the same road.
We're still in the same street right here. Caminho das Hortas. So yeah, we came all the way over to the other side. And I guess before we end it, I'll just kind of show the viewer that we were way down there, way down there, and we basically just went inland a little bit around these tall buildings everywhere, and we just kind of came out over here, and then and that was kind of it. And then we also kind of have if we kept going, that's the bridge to Macau side over there. There's a couple hotels right here. Altira Hotel right there. What's the name of that hotel over there?
Art Regency.
Art Regency. Okay.
I love the view right now.
Good view, right? Okay, so that's our street right there. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.